is Wallace Craig. About almost on the 14th of June, 42 years ago, I met my much better half, as I call her, JoAnn, and we have 3 amazing kids, all married, and soon to be, as we know, 11 grandkids.
I heard about Arbor Homes through my sister. She actually came out here to look at a model. Just so happens that she looked at the Bradford and she was telling me about it. So I talked to Wally and I said, you know what, I think that this would be great for us.
The rest is history. We moved into our new home in February. We've been there since, love it.
It's basically has everything we need. You know, it's got a large eat-in kitchen.
It gave us more open space to entertain all those 11 grandkids eventually, but cozy enough for the 2 of us because it has an island where we could have our meals, and then lots of space to where we could put out folding tables and chairs.
It has 2 bedrooms, which I use one for a craft room, and then I have one for a guest / the grandbaby's room. You know, we are in our retirement years, and this is a new chapter for us. So to be able to move into a brand new home, watch it go up, go to the design center and pick out designs and things, that just makes it ours.
And that's really what calls it our home, because as we settle in over time, we will be able to put up decorations that are ours. We're able to paint the color scheme that we want. And after all that, then we've truly settled in and truly live, the rest of our lives in a place that we know is ours. During the construction period, we came out on a Sunday afternoon when there was no construction going on, obviously, and walked around the lot and took pictures. So we have created a journal from the little stake in the ground to today, and all along the process. And so that's kind of a good journal for anybody.
I mean, we got to watch our home go up, and actually watch it being built, and that was awesome. I'd recommend that to anybody. At least once in your lifetime, have a house built.
There are a lot of places out there to buy a home. There are a lot of locales, there's a lot of organizations, builders. I would look to Arbor Homes because they do a great job. They follow through on promises. They walk you through every step of the process, and even after you move in, they're still there. So I really believe that Arbor would be a great choice.